we started over, we transplanted here. And all that land is gone now. Some of the most beautiful land in the world. It's gone for all time. And so it just kept digging at me that we've got to do something with Snohomish Valley if we can to save some of it. And I also looked down the road at the old Conrad Stocker Farm, a very nice dairy farm. It's right on the corner down here on Spring Getty Road. And they're starting to segregate that in 5-acre lots. And it seemed like a terrible thing to do. So when PCC came to us with a preservation plan for our farm, it just made a lot of sense.